Are you tired of leaky, flimsy water bottles that just can't keep up? Meet the CamelBak Chute Mag, a durable, stylish solution for your hydration needs. Stick around to find out if this is the last water bottle you'll ever need. Made with tough 18x8 stainless steel, the CamelBak Chute Mag water bottle is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Its double-walled vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot or cold for hours, and the sweat-proof finish means it stays dry no matter what. The carry handle makes it easy to clip onto a carabiner or hold in your hand, whether you're hiking, commuting, or just running errands. With sizes ranging from 12 ounces to 40 ounces and interchangeable caps to other bottles like the Eddy Plus and Hot Cap, this bottle adapts to your needs and always delivers top-notch performance. The Chute Mag just doesn't look good, it's packed with smart features. Its magnetic top stows securely out of the way while you drink, and when it's closed, it's completely leak-proof. Don't believe it? Fill with water, twist the cap shut, and shake it up. No spills, no leaks, just a tight seal. Need more proof? Flip it upside down and give it some motion. The bottle's reliable design keeps everything inside where it belongs, so you can focus on your day without worrying about a mess. Before you go, let me know, what's your go-to water bottle? If you're thinking about upgrading, the CamelBak Chute Mag might just be the perfect fit. Like, subscribe, and stick around for more content designed to simplify and enhance your daily life. See you in the next one.